Hĩndĩ ya kĩrugũrio gĩa gĩthĩi kĩero kĩa irio cia mahiũ kĩa Joymax mwena wa Kutus kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, ataaramu morĩtie arĩmi gwĩtĩkagĩra kũhũthagĩra irio cia mahiũ iria ikinyanĩire ikĩro.
This facility has an installed production capacity of 160,000 metric tons per year, enabling us to produce high quality, highly homogeneous animal feed for the Kenyan market and beyond.
Ukiangalia bidhaa kama vile Joymax Feeds, sokoni ndio iko na bei ya juu sana. Lakini wale ambao wameitumia, si wakulima ni kweli? Wale ambao wameitumia, kwa mfano unanunua ile tunaita high yield 33 kama 3,300, ng'ombe automatically inaongeza kilo 5 ama lita 5.
Na kũringana na mũikarĩri gĩtĩ Julius Shoba, kwaga kwa ũigĩrĩrĩku thĩinĩ wa irio cia mahiũ nĩ ũndũ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩhutia na njĩra nene ũrĩmi ũyũ, ũndũ ũrĩa ene gĩthĩi gĩkĩ maugĩte atĩ nĩ ũgwati.
Nataka kushukuru Kavagara team, sababu isipokuwa ni Kavagara team hatungekuwa hapa. So first of all, tunashukuru Mungu kwa wakati huu from 2010 up to 2025. Sababu hii Kavagara ndoto tulirara tukaota 2010. Jina premium, wakati tumekuja kuleta hiyo jina premium tulikuwa kwa Joymax. Before tufike premium tulisiaga 7 good years before tujue tumefika ile kiwango tunaweza toa unga inaitwa premium. Kama vile Bwana Robert amesema, sisi ndio tumekuja na jina premium.
Our customers have trusted our consistency and the trust that you have in our brands and in our products have truly inspired this new expansion into the feeds and the wider food ecosystem. It is that growing demand built on quality, built on honesty and built on hard work that has brought us here.
Arũgamĩrĩri makiuga atĩ he bata gũkinyanĩria ũigĩrĩrĩki wa ũrĩmi na njĩra ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ arĩmi nĩ mamũkĩra irio ici na gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ na nĩguo mũrĩmi athiĩ na mbere na kũgunĩka.
Today we are having the state of art system that can be stopped and started from where I am. Using my phone, I'm able to start the factory. Shangilieni Kavagara.
I'm here to confirm that Joymax has been consistently providing quality goods to the extent, other than the mandatory standardization mark, wamend an extra step wakona mpaka diamond mark, which means anytime tunachukua Kavagara, anytime tunachukua unga ya ngano, ina exceed kupita.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Kutus kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, njĩtagwo Boni Wathuku.